Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have 2025 Volkswagen Taos, and I will show you which fuse to check if you suspect you have problems with the fuel pump. This video should apply to these vehicles made from 2022 all the way up to 2026, possibly even newer. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel, or becoming a channel member. Okay, so the fuse you want to check will be located in the main fuse box, which is under the front hood just next to the battery right here. To remove the cover, you will have two black tabs, one here, one on the opposite side. You want to press each and just lift up. Once you have the cover off, on the back side you will have a small fuse puller you can use to remove the fuse, and the fuel pump fuse will be located in the upper left corner. So this is your fuel pump fuse, 15 amp blue fuse. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews, and other similar automotive topics.